இது வந்து மிட்டி அல்லது ஃபெனிக்ரிக் லீவ்ஸ்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஃபெனிக்ரிக் வெஜிடபிள் அதில் முளைஞ்சது நான் காமிக்க போகிறேன். ஸோ ஐம் ஹார்வெஸ்டிங் ஃபெனிக்ரிக் leaf or to be cooked. I think I have harvested enough fenugreek leaf, so I'm going to take this to my friend's house, to my friend who's going to cook with this. பாருங்க, இந்த பாஸ்கெட்டில் மெத்தி இலை, மெத்தி கீரை அல்லது வெந்தயக்கீரை, என் ஃப்ரெண்டுக்கு பிடிச்ச கூஸ்பெர்ரி, green and red, and also மூலியோட விதை அவங்களுக்கு பரிசாக கொண்டு போய் கொடுக்குறேன். இதெல்லாம் டோட்டலி ஆர்கானிக். ஸோ சரி வாங்க நம்ம அவங்க வீட்டுக்கு போவோம்.
Hello, Rani. Hi. Come in.
Hi.
She'll be okay.
Okay.
Come in. So we will wash it first. I'm going to show you methi matar malai sabji. It is like a cream. I know very simple as well, but when I thought about the video thing, I thought I'll make a special dish which can be used in like a good party. So when you are taking, like say if you buy from the shops, you have to take the stalks out, you know, the like more mature stalks.
Yeah.
And
The woody one. Yeah. Has it got that one?
No, this doesn't have. That's why I didn't.
You didn't need to peel it, isn't it? Okay.
So
இப்படியும் வைக்கலாம் அல்லது அடுப்பில் கூட வேக வைக்கலாம்.
it will cook quickly. That's oil. You can put a lot of butter, a lot of ghee, but I don't like that. So just very little oil. Yeah. So while this is being done, we will do our next step here. So we can do it in separate pans as well, but I'm just taking it a bit simpler way. So just a bit of oil, and here you can use butter, ghee, you know, whatever you want to make it like a party dish. You put butter, or you can have half oil, half butter. You can do that as well. So bay leaves, cloves, and the elaichi, cardamoms. These are the cardamoms. And so you put all this, and if you like, say just these two, you can just put these two. You don't have to put all of it, because when we put the garam masala powder, all of this is
already contained in the garam masala layer. When my daughter is back, she loves paneer butter masala. So what I do, I make the sauce a lot. Whenever she's coming back, I just take it out, and buy the paneer from the Asian shop. Just stir fry one time. That's it.
Yeah, my friend also does it. I am kind of very lazy.
You're not. You're doing a lot of things, Vandana.
I keep thinking, okay, I'll put it, and then I can't be bothered really.
But when the children
Yeah.
here, you probably want to cook a lot. Then
Yeah. And I cook what the children are wanting.
yes, of
So
course.
that's another thing. So we just have to keep on stirring it so that it doesn't get kind of stuck there. And but we are not going to make it like a dark brown color or anything. It just has to be transparent. I'll add a little bit of salt so it's cooked a bit quickly. Then most of the masala will go a bit later. We'll go in. And the kaju will go in. So I'm taking just this much kaju.
அந்த அளவுக்கு உள்ள மிக்கி வெந்தயக்கீரைக்கு இந்த அளவு கேஷ்னா போதுமானது.
They can put green chili in. But usually I'm making for the children also. I don't put green chili. Okay. But you can put green chili.
உங்களுக்கு உரப்பு வேணும்னாக்கா பச்சை மிளகாய் how many காரத்துக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி போட்டுக்கலாம் whatever they like.
Yeah, just the whole. If you don't cut it, it won't be chili as well. So you can put 2, 3 or 1, 2 like that.
Depends how kind what level of spiciness they want.
Turning a bit yellowish, and you can see it's a bit translucent, right? So that's the time you just have to close it.
வச்சுட்டு பிளெண்டரில் நம்ம அரைச்சிருக்கலாம்.
We have blended it like a paste, not very watery, just
Is it very fine?
fine. Yeah, it's fine, but it's not very watery.
Okay.
Yeah, see.
Very quick one, no? My blender doesn't do this great job.
No, this one is quite good, very nice. So a different kind of gravy will be when you put desiccated coconut in it. Yeah. So that will be the korma style, because in korma style you put coconut, but in this style you cook tomato based. And depending on whether you like tomato more or chili more, you can add according to it.
So if we put a desiccated coconut, do we still need to put a cashew nut?
Yeah,
Okay.
it will taste very good.
Taste good,
Yeah.
creamy.
It will taste very good. So this we will cook until it starts,
The raw smell.
rawness will finish, and you will see that a little bit of oil is coming from down.
Separate.
Yeah. So to make it red color, people use either tinned tomato, or they will use the passata tomato, the passata thing, or they will use red kasturi chili. It is called, it is meant for the color. Kashmiri chili.
Okay.
It is called. So it doesn't.
It won't spicy, but it gives a nice color.
Very nice color. And I don't have it, and so I use what I have in the house. And very soon you will see the oil coming all around it. This is the curry. You can use it for anything. You can stir fry a little bit of chicken. You can put that. It's chicken breast. You can put that. You can put paneer. Just stir fry it. Paneer and butter you can put in this. Whatever you like. Say the shells thing. What is a prawn? So just stir fry it, you can put it. So this is a very basic curry. You can put rajma, you can put chole, but you don't have to put the cashew nuts. But most of the curries are made like this in North Indian cooking. And then you just add on whatever you like. Now I'm putting a little bit of salt because I've already put a bit before. A little bit of turmeric because I don't want it to go yellowish, otherwise I would have put more. Then the usual dhania powder. So it's all less than 1 teaspoon. A little bit of chili powder. A little bit of jeera powder. And the garam masala. So it is not 1 teaspoon, it was quarter of a teaspoon.
Okay.
Because we are wanting to keep it mild, mainly for the children to eat. Otherwise, as much masala you will add, it will be more spicier, it will be more like how people used to make it before, like very authentic, but we want it milder. So see, it is all drying out, and now we just need to mix the like the masala to be cooked properly. This kind of, so you know, like this, when it is cooked, you can put it in a container, you can make a lot, put it in different containers, put the dates in, and you can freeze it just like that. And this is what you get bottled in the superstore, but they will add additives to it so that it doesn't go bad. But so now we need our peas to be properly cooked as well. So this is already blanched. We'll put it so that it gets cooked into this. You can add as much as you want and as little you want. If you don't like peas, you can put sweet corn as well. And now I will put my methi, so that also gets cooked into it.
Is this time tender?
Yeah, it was tender. That's why I didn't cut it or removed it. See, we are not kind of have I burnt it, do you think? See, it is kind of changed a bit of its color as well, and we will put a little bit of water into it. Water is we'll put as much that when it is cooked, it should be this consistency. So we need more so that is burnt and it comes back to this consistency. If somebody doesn't like cream, they can put yogurt as well, and that will bring a little bit of sour taste to it, but it will still be creamy. So some people don't like, you can put milk as well into it. So this is the consistency we want. And I'll put the cream. And this is a kind of a restaurant style methi malai matar vegetable. Doing our cooking thing, so I'm sharing it with you. You put a little bit of butter or ghee. I'll put ghee. And this is not necessary. You don't even have to do it. But I thought that it was very nice. Add a bit, just a tiny pinch of garam masala to it. See?
Wow. This is definitely restaurant style, Vandana.
This is Like if I am making just for the house, I won't put cream, I won't put like all the you know, like cutting and grating, all that I won't do. I'll be doing very quick. But this is what you will get in restaurants. So have a taste. And
This smells good as well.
shall I give you a bowl?
Yeah. Wow, nice cute bowl, Vandana.
Let me know if we have to put a bit of salt. I somehow never check the salt.
Vandana, this is so lovely.
I'm glad.
My God. Vandana is lovely. Vandana.
You also have a